Hi there, welcome to Sandi's Chinese class. Today we're going to talk about coffee. 我喜欢黑咖啡，不喜欢拿铁。我喜欢黑咖啡，不喜欢拿铁。Literal translation, word by word. I like black coffee. Don't like latte. 我喜欢黑咖啡，不喜欢拿铁。So we can easily tell that these two words are the same. 喜欢 means like. So I like. Don't like. If you put 我 in front of, 不 here, so it's going to be 我不喜欢. I don't like. The first word, 我 means I, which we've covered in previous classes. So I'm just going to mention this here briefly. 我 The second word, 喜欢 means like. 喜欢 The interesting thing here is that for the first two characters, they both have the third tone, which is very difficult to pronounce when they are put together. So when we are actually saying this phrase, we change the first character from the third tone to the second tone. So it's actually like this. So when we're actually saying this, we're not saying 我喜欢. We're saying 我喜欢. Second tone. 我喜欢. This is quite common when you see two characters together with a third tone. 我喜欢. But the correct tone for this character is still 我. This is just a special case. 我喜欢. You can hear the difference. 我 versus 我喜欢. 我喜欢. The next word, 黑咖啡. 黑咖啡. 黑 means black, and 咖啡 is the transliteration of coffee. So it means black coffee. 黑咖啡. All of these three characters have the first tone. 黑咖啡. I have here 黑咖啡 versus 美式 or 美式咖啡. This is americano, and this is black coffee. So we all know that black coffee is from a drip machine and americano is from espresso plus water. But sometimes, especially in China, I think these two are interchangeable. Just so you know, these two are interchangeable. 黑咖啡, 美式, 黑咖啡. The next word, 不喜欢. So we already know that 喜欢 means like. 不喜欢 means don't like. 不喜欢. So we have here, 我喜欢你. 你 means you. So 我喜欢你 means I like you. And here, you probably got what it means here already. 你不喜欢我. You don't like me. I like you, you don't like me. 我喜欢你. 你不喜欢我. What a sad story. 我喜欢你. 你不喜欢我. The next word, 拿铁, is the transliteration of latte with an N here instead of an L. So it's 拿铁. I have here also the transliteration of cappuccino and mocha. It's 卡布奇诺 mocha. For these two words, they are very similar to what we hear in English. So I don't think you have to memorize them for now. If you want to order coffee in a coffee house in China, I think using English is good enough. 卡布奇诺 mocha. So we have here 拿铁, 黑咖啡, 美式咖啡, 卡布奇诺 mocha. Which one do you like? To sum up for today, 我喜欢黑咖啡，不喜欢拿铁。I like black coffee. I don't like latte. Or if you are a milk person, you actually like latte and you don't like black coffee. 我喜欢拿铁，不喜欢黑咖啡。我喜欢拿铁，不喜欢黑咖啡。Pick the combination you like, and I hope you enjoy the class today. I'll see you next time.